Well, good morning again. We're back. We told you today we've been doing two Facebook Lives this is the third Saturday in the row because we were at shows and Patty and Deborah were here in the store. So
Yeah.
we're not going to make a habit of doing this every Saturday, but we've loved all the fun comments and everything that we've gotten. So today we're going to be unboxing our March VIP box, and there's no one better to help us unbox because Sandy at this moment has built every single box. Now Patty's here today, and I think Patty's going to give her a hand in some of that. But yeah, Sandy.
They did tissue and.
That's
yeah,
right. They
so
folded all the
got
tissue last week. Yes, they did.
Yeah.
But you're the one who's actually put every single box together.
Pressure's on.
So, but they look beautiful. We're going to be giving away one of our boxes today. So we want you to be very involved here. As we're going through unboxing, you can leave a comment as to what you like in the box, what you might keep for yourself, who you would give it to. But what we're asking for is leave a comment, like the video, leave a comment saying who you would like to give this box to. So without further ado.
I know. I would love to give this to my sisters. Their birthdays are in March.
Oh, okay.
And my dad's had that in March, too. So
very good. And I have a sister whose birthday is St. Patrick's Day. And Patty is turning a number with a 0 on the end. And so her birthday is coming up on the 11th. And so, yeah, it's a great box.
Okay.
First of all, we started with this color because aquamarine, as you pointed out at market, Sandy was like, well, aquamarine is the color for March. So I want to tell a little bit of a backstory of how we came up with this box. Because we were in Atlanta, and of course we were shopping for boxes all the way through December of next year. But laying in bed in the hotel room, I had seen an ad, not really an ad, just a page in the market catalog, and it was everything on the page was from different vendors, but it all had that beautiful aquamarine color. And I just thought, oh, I love this box. Then you said, well, aquamarine's the birthstone. So we started, and let me tell you, we took that piece of paper and we were searching for things
matching colors
that would match this color that made sense in a box for March. So that's kind of the background, I would say. So here we go. Drum roll, please. And I always say this, you know, my son-in-law has a degree in percussion, and we really need to get him to do a drum roll. He can do one.
Have a tape recording and do that.
So, but here we go. It says you're going to love what's inside from Adrians Boutique, and I absolutely love this theme. So here we go.
Yes.
So we don't have our brochure here that matches it yet, but you can just imagine that we have a beautiful card that goes in here that we do a handwritten note on in every single box. So if you're sending it to your sisters, we will write a note that says happy birthday, love Sandy, and yeah.
And then it tells about, the other one tells about all the product
that tells about all the products.
The story behind some of the products we have.
But our theme this time is we rise by lifting others. I absolutely love this quote, and I just feel like there's so many ways to take it, but I want our boxes to be uplifting and motivational and encouraging to every person that gets it. And I think this box does that. So. Well, first of all, the tissue paper.
That took a while.
It took a while.
We knew what we wanted, but
we did know what we wanted.
And finally.
I had seen a little snippet of this paper, but I had no idea where I had seen it. And I can tell you, we walked and walked and walked and walked, looking in any showroom that had packaging. And we actually had settled for something else. Because we just couldn't find it, and then a miracle happened, and I was flipping through a catalog, and there it was, and so
perfect.
But we love shopping for the tissue paper as much as
just
all the other
perfect colors there,
all the other stuff. So let's see. Whoops. There we
like
go.
open a package. Just
It is
rip
like
it open.
I know. It's hard for me to do that.
So, yeah, there's our sign.
There's our sign. We walked into a showroom and we were already carrying around this piece of paper with this color on it, and love this quote. And actually, we had been in the showroom quite a while. We're headed out, turned around.
Yeah, there it was.
Turned around to get a copy of our order, and there this was, and I knew it was the sign. The sign. So we rise by lifting others. This is something you can give to someone that is always an encourager. You can put it on your desk, put it in your bathroom where you see it in every morning. You know, if you naturally tend to be not someone who gives encouragement to others, it's a good reminder that we need to do that, whether it's your personality type or not. But I love
Perfect
that
color.
I do. So, and then we've got lots of shred. We have shred everywhere here in Beulah right now.
Love this layer here.
Yes. What's not to like about this one? So, Sandy, you kind of scoped out this showroom, and this is Mrs. Weinstein's dark chocolate sea salt toffee, I believe.
Excellent toffee. So you're gonna love this.
It was so good, and believe me, we tried a lot of goodies for these boxes, but this was a favorite.
And couldn't believe the color of the package as well.
We just got so.
And then Hammond's, we love their booth. We found a lot of things there, but Hammond's makes a great candy bar. I mean, it's just
it does. And I will say this candy bar was on that piece of paper in the catalog. So we came into this showroom telling this lady, "Where are these candy bars? We want only this one." She was trying to show us all the other candy bars, and we said, "No, we only want this one." It is, and it's delicious. We've sold Hammond's here in the past, but that is a delicious candy bar. So another.
This was our same gal that helped us with the tea as well.
It was, and this we were shopping late one evening. They had a pot of tea. We're suckers for this kind of stuff, and we thought, well, that would match our color. So we want our customers to be able to have a little hot cup of tea too. So let's keep going.
Next layer here.
Well, herbal melts, you found these too.
Well, we were in our Swan Creek booth that we were shopping for here, and this is the color, and I think I went, and the perfect name of it too. And the guys kind of looked at me and it's like, it's March, it's Irish.
Yes, so it's called Irish Wild Ocean is the name of the melt. Again, perfect color. One of our most popular items in our whole store is our Swan Creek melts. So whether you use fragrance or not, you may not have a melting pot. You can break these apart. They're in 6 cubes. You can put this in your lingerie drawer. It just does a beautiful job of fragrancing your cabinets without a heavy, perfumey smell. But this even comes with little seashells. You know, it's Irish, so we have the March thing going on.
So it kind of combined a lot of everything in there.
We did, but again, a very popular item here at Adrian's.
And the dish fish was kind of like that too. We kind of looked at the color and
we did, but first we looked at the guy said, "Have you seen these?" And we had not seen a fish-shaped dish soap, dish sponge. But we've had a few comments that people would like a practical item in every box. So we were thinking,
and it's great because I have mine from that he gave us at the show, and I've been using it, and it does stand up, on the little fins there when you where it drains out. It's a little scratchy on one side.
So it doesn't get smelly, and it's something that you can use. It's a non-scratch. So another fun item and a practical item. Then we have our little eye mask, sleep mask. Again, just in that fun color.
We'll hold off on this one.
We'll hold off on that. Hide it. And then we put another very popular item here in our store.
At the store.
this is, again, it just was in just the right colors for this box. It's also great for March it's still cold. People's
It is.
hardwood floors are cold.
So the fuzzy footies, they're one size.
They're a one size fuzzy footy. They have a gripping back so that you can wear them with whether you have tile or hardwoods. And again, they're beautiful, they're washable, and people love fuzzy footies. So we've got that in there. Then at the very bottom, okay, this let's just let this disappear.
Good idea.
We should have had one of these out.
We should have. It's easy
Well,
to get out, I think. Here.
Okay. So again, this has a story behind it. This is an item that is sold in museum gift shops all over the country, and it is it was in the higher end, kind of the curated area of market where there's a lot of handmade
Yes.
things. There's a lot of things that are a lot more expensive than what we normally sell here in the store. But this caught our eye out on a display that they had in one of the hallways. This is a vase that has the artwork on it is
Beautiful.
by Tiffany. Tiffany, of course, was one of the leaded glass people that is so famous around the world. This is Louis C. Tiffany, and there were many artists. But this is one of his most popular works. And again, we felt like it went perfect in the box. Not only that, we thought it would be great for people to use out on their patios this spring. You just fill it
great
with
idea.
water.
Love this.
It stands on its own. It's very reusable. One thing, it takes up no space in your cupboard. So those of us that have, well, I act like I've had flowers so many times in my life, but you know how you can kind of accumulate vases? This doesn't take up any space.
Yes, that's what's nice.
It is so nice. And then the other little thing is
It'll open up a little bit.
you fill it with water. It stands on its own. And then you drop in this water activated tea light. And so it will actually glow. And since we don't have any water, you're not going to see any glowing.
But it'll float in there.
But it floats
and then
in-
it lights
floats
up
in
when
the
you put it
water.
in the water.
It lights up, so you can use this out again on your deck, in a windowsill, on a table. Filled with flowers or not, it's still going to be
Yes.
beautiful. And I just think it's
a cool item.
it was a really cool item.
Yeah.
And again, we were just really attracted to it and thought it was something very different. And that's what we want to bring you in these boxes. And so I think, how fun to get this box in the mail.
I think it's a great one.
We do. We think this is a great box. So, and Patty does too. She's back there waving her arms. So, we're going to be giving away one of these again today,
Nice,
or we'll announce
yeah.
the winner next Saturday. So leave a comment of who you think you would like to give this to. And it can be yourself. We don't hold anything against you for having you
course
want
not.
to get it for yourself. But something I heard at the women's show that I had not heard before is a lady told me she saves every bit of this. And we hear that a lot. People save the boxes, they save the shred, they save the tissue paper. But she told me she irons the tissue paper and then cuts it in half. So she's got 4 pieces, and then she parts out a lot of it and gives those as little gifts to encourage
Nice.
people at work or her daughter or
Very
her
good
daughter-in-law.
idea.
I thought, I would have not ever thought of that. I definitely would not be ironing tissue. I don't even iron clothes. So, anyways, that's
great
kind of what we
idea.
got. I thought that was a great idea. We've had people reusing the boxes for many other things. And so, again, just pretty awesome.
It is.
If you're not a subscriber yet, it's super easy to do that. You can call us here at the store. You can come in and we can sign you up, or you can just go to shopadrians.com, click on VIP boxes, and it's very easy to sign up. We have a 3-month minimum. They're $35 a month. If you need it shipped, it's an additional $8. But the beauty of it is you can ship it to a different person each month. And so it really helps put your gift giving on autopilot.
And if you need an extra gift for somebody else that month, it's only $35 for that box to order extras.
Right, as a subscriber. If you don't want to subscribe, or you're not ready to subscribe just yet, you can still get this. It's $42. And the reason is, with our subscribers, we're forecasting out at least 3 months so that we have the right quantity of product to put these boxes together, and that's why they get a great deal. Every month it's at least $60 or $65 or $75 worth of product, and you know, as a subscriber you're only paying $35. So we'd love for you to give us a call today or stop in, or you can go online again and to shopadrians.com. We can get you set up, and great gift idea.
It is.
So thanks, Sandy, for all the help in finding all of this stuff this time. And it is a fun one, and we're going to be excited to be giving one away. We'll see you soon.
Have a good day.
We'll see you Wednesday.